One of the brands that we love, and in fact we stock in our own shop at thatleisureshop.com, are Crespo, Bo-Camp and G-Mex. I'm here at the NEC show in February 2023 on the Crespo and Bo-Camp stand, and I'm being joined, come on and join me.
Hi, man.
Jose, how are you?
Good, you?
Very well, thank you. This is Jose, who is the sales director for the parent company of these brands. Welcome, you've come all the way from the Netherlands, haven't you, to be here for the show?
Yeah, it was only a short trip, but yes, all the way from the Netherlands. Yep.
So just tell us a little bit, let's start with Crespo. Mm-hmm. What makes Crespo so amazing as furniture and as a brand?
Well, Crespo is a brand that's originated in Spain. And we took over the brand a couple of years ago, and because we like to sell quality products, and obviously it's a high quality product, but I think the most important things you can tell about Crespo, that it's lightweight furniture. We always find ergonomic really important, and also we like the compactness of a chair. So that's are the main pillars for Crespo.
Yeah, and they're also made out of a remarkable material, aren't they? They get wet and dry really fast, so they don't stay wet, do they? They don't absorb anything.
No, it wouldn't be handy if you go out camping, because you leave your stuff sometimes outdoors and you want to keep using it, so it's very important. Yeah. Now, we like, when we start designing a product, we have a research and development team in Spain, and they're designing a product from scratch. And we always try to use the best available materials that we can have, and then create a product and then see what the costs are. And some other brands do it differently. They try to market it in a certain price, and then you have to lose on quality. You can't do both. So Our focus is always on the quality. Yeah.
And they really are high quality, and they feel quality as well. And they have an extremely long warranty as well, don't they?
Yeah, we have a standard warranty of 5 years, and if you register your product in the web on the web page of Crespo, you'll get an extra year of warranty as well, so up to 6 years.
Yeah.
But even after the warranty, if you drop the chair and something breaks, we usually have spare parts available, which is also good, and so you don't have to buy a new chair. So it's a really long-lasting product.
Yeah, it is, and I mean, okay, they're a higher price than average, perhaps. But they're going to last, aren't they? That's the thing, and you won't replace it for years to come.
Yeah, that's true, and that makes it actually a cheap chair.
Yeah, quite. Yeah, I don't like the word cheap.
Yeah, okay.
Affordable. They are exquisite. I mean, the great thing about them is the different sizes as well. I mean, some are really wide, some are very narrow, and obviously we're all different shapes and sizes. I mean, look at you and me. You're svelte and slim, and look at me. We'd need different chairs, wouldn't we?
Yeah, well, if you look at the back panel, we have there a line of 6 different chairs, and they all have a different seat height, seat depth, and also the length of the back panel is different. As you say, we're all born differently. Some are really small, some are very tall, some are a bit too wide. Well, we can have a chair that fits everybody. So it could happen that if you have a couple with a small woman and a high man, a tall man, you have to buy 2 different products. Yeah. But as all these products are in the same range, like we have different styles, like a classic material or an Ergonomic material, you can combine these different chairs in the same material, so you still have a nice looking set. Yeah. But you have the exact fit, and that's very important, and that's the ergonomic part of Crespo.
And there's even adjustment on the headrest as well, isn't there? So if you're short-necked or low-backed, you can find the perfect chair, can't you?
Yeah, you get the normal chairs don't have a adjustable headrest, but the compact series, and they're the most popular one in our brands, they have a adjustable headrest, but it also the benefit, if you fold the chair down and you pull the headrest all the way down, it saves you almost 23 centimeters of space in your car or caravan. Yeah, wow. So it's also really compact to take.
They are very compact.
If you want to.
Well, I'm going to get Sergio to show us. Come on, you've come all the way from Valencia. Yeah. This is Sergio, who refused to be in this video. We've got you in it.
Behind the camera.
You're behind the camera, now you're in front. Will you fold one up and just show us how small they go?
Yeah, I can do it for you.
So Sergio's all the way here from Valencia for the show. Which is where Crespo originated and is made. Look at that. It's so thin and it's light as well.
It's amazing. It's really light. This one, it's about 7 kilograms.
And that's a big chair. It's a big lounger, isn't it? And some of the chairs are just over 4 kilos, aren't they? I mean, you pick them up and just think, it weighs nothing.
This one, it's 3 kilograms. This one.
3 kilograms?
Yeah, it's really light.
And again, folds really flat. They just fold into themselves, don't they?
And we have one of the most compact chair in the market, which is this one. Ah, no, this is not the most compact, it's the other one, but this is also compact because you see the difference between this one. It's the same structure, but
same
the
chair.
difference.
It folds down.
Yeah.
It's the same chair. It's both the Model 215, but this is the difference between a compact and a non-compact. So see the amount of space you save by having a compact model.
Which, if you're packing into a camper van, motorhome, that's really important, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good space there. And weight saving too, which is increasingly important as payloads get strangled a little bit. It's brilliant. And not just chairs though, we've got footrests as well, haven't we? So we do the chairs, like the lounger, but then there's this range of footrests as well. Just fold these up for me as well and show me how flat these go.
Yeah, this is also an ergonomic one because it has a little bit of a slope on it, so it doesn't hurt your back, but it's really easy to take with you because it's very small to take, and also very easy because some of the footrests you slide underneath the chair, and it's a struggle to get in and out. And with this one, it's really easy to get in and out.
Look at that.
And that's why I like this job.
You're sitting down on the job there
Sitting
again,
down on the
Jose.
job, yeah.
And they can be used as a stool as well, of course, can't
You
they?
can use it as a stool. It will weight up until, I think the weight capacity will be 80 to 90 kilos. So if you have somebody coming in for a cuppa, you can just share a stool. Yeah.
Perfect. Amazing. And we've got tables as well and furniture for the awning. Let's wander over and have a look over here. These loungers, these are amazing, aren't they? These are just beautiful. Tell us about one of these.
Well, this is one of our favorite loungers because it's a little bit higher than the regular lounger, so it's easy to get in and on and off, and also compact to fold down. This is made of the Air Deluxe material, which you also have in the chair. And the nice thing about Air Deluxe is it's a breathable fabric, and also the water will go through, which means that if it's left out and you get a bit of a rain, when the sun comes out again, it dries real quickly. Because it doesn't absorb any water.
No,
Yeah.
we love that. And not just a choice of styles, but choice of colours as well. They look really smart in black, I have to say.
Yeah, now we have a whole range of different colors, different fabrics in all our products.
Yeah, really nice. So let's go and have a look at the furniture, because the storage units are really clever. Again, they're incredibly light. They fold down. Tell us a bit about the storage units.
Yeah, you don't have to build it up like a package, like normal cupboards or cabinets do, because it will slide down in one movement. So it's very compact and easy to install and uninstall.
And many of them come with a carry bag as well, don't they?
Always, yeah.
All
yeah.
with a carry bag.
Always, yeah.
So we've got the tables over here. Now the tables, one of the great features about the tables is the adjustable legs and the adjustable feet. Should we go and have a look at the tables?
One thing I like about the tables, it's a very thin top, but it has an extra support on the bottom. But it's made of a mixture of material that is heat resistant and water resistant. So yes, you can put a hot pot on it. I wouldn't do it, but you could.
Yeah.
You can also leave it out in the sun or in the rain. It doesn't affect the material at all. It's all made of aluminium, so it's a very lightweight but also very compact table. If you look at the bottom of this, you see it's only really thin, the topper, but underneath there is a support on it, and we tested it in our testing center in Valencia, and you can press down until 50 kilos. So it's
wow.
very, very strong material. And then when you fold it in, the legs will eventually come within the rim, so it's very flat also
Again.
to take. Yeah.
Signature Crespo, flat and light and incredibly strong.
Very light.
Really clever. And the feet are great as well, so if you're on rough ground.
They're auto adjustable, so
Yeah.
it's very easy to get your table stable, because on a campground it's never flat or anything.
No.
So it works perfectly, yeah.
And then we've got a further range of storage items over here.
Yeah, the cooking cabinets, we have the small one and the wider one. They're very popular, especially for people who stay a little bit longer on the campground, because they want a big topper. So it's it's very popular.
Yeah. It is absolutely beautiful furniture,
Oh,
and
thank you.
it's worth every penny.
Yeah.
And yeah, at first glance, people do look at it and go, "Gosh, that can feel expensive." But with such a long warranty and such high quality, it is, as you say, a very cost-effective chair. Let's not say cheap.
Affordable. Is what
It
we
is
decided
right.
on.
That's Crespo. Let's spin around the back of the stand
Yeah.
and let's go and discover GMEX and
Yeah,
BoCamp.
sure.
Can we do that? So I'm always asked by the team, Matt, what has been the highlight of the show for you? And I have to say, one of them is definitely how beautiful this stand is. The products on it are just stunning. It's one of the most beautiful exhibition stands, I think, here. It's just phenomenal. Tell me what we've got here.
Well, first of all, thanks for the compliments. Always nice to hear these things. As a BoCamp brand, we're originated from the Netherlands. We started a few years ago designing collections, because if you look at the camping industry overall, and we still have some of these products, they're quite basic, because in the past a lot of people wanted to have lightweight products that has to be good in the weather. It would be really technically suitable for camping. And the industry is changing. There's a lot of young people coming in. They live in an Instagram environment, as we always say. And if they take a picture of their camp setting, it has to look nice.
Yes.
So we started creating collections. First started a few years ago with the Urban Outdoor collection. The Urban Outdoor collection, you can see all the products have the same type of coloring material. So this is a specific collection we work with. And it's called Urban Outdoor because some people buy camping stuff not for camping, but they live in an urban area, they have a small balcony, they can't do with big furniture, and they really like, because it's compact, it's lightweight, it's durable, so it's suitable for camping, but it looks also nice, so it attracts to a different group of people.
Yeah.
And especially because we're originated in the Netherlands, industrial type of living is become really popular. So if you go into decorating the inside of the houses, it's all made of these colors and materials. So here we started also to step in and make a collection called the Industrial Collection to make it look nice, and it's very, very popular. So it's actually, a lot of it is similar products that we used to make for camping, but we gave it a nice look and feel, so it's also looking nice. And especially the new we all like to make a picture of our setting when we share it with family and friends. If you make a photo like this, like these people behind us, it just looks nice. And it's also very comfortable. So
It is. And I have to say, when I first discovered this product, we were researching for our own shop. At that leisure shop, we were blown away, and we featured it on a podcast, and we described it as more glamping than camping.
Yeah, it's a bit like that, isn't it?
It's just beautiful.
Yeah, well, what you see in the Netherlands, and I think it's getting all over Europe, is that people like to take their interior they use in their home and living outside in the garden, and you see also the movement taking this interior into the campgrounds, and people feel like home. It's a good holiday, so it's they want to have the comfort from home into their into the campground. So.
I mean, you could take some of this from outside into the home. I mean,
you could do so. Yeah,
the chairs work just as well in the house as they do
it's fine
in
with
a
me
campsite.
if people would like to do that. It's fine with me.
Yeah, love it. And there's a whole range of stuff, isn't there? We've got tableware, we've got cutlery, tables, chairs, beautiful lanterns as well.
Yeah. Our main product groups are the furniture, the tableware, everything that is done by setting the table, the lighting, the cooking. That's what we do with BoCamp a lot. And also the cutlery and everything with it. So you can have a nice setting with it. Yeah.
It's very different to stuff we've seen here in the UK. And then we've got we've got another brand here as well, which we call GMEX.
Yeah, GMEX.
In the UK. It's pronounced different ways in different countries, isn't it?
But that's with every brand, is it?
Yeah. So tell me a little about GMEX.
Well, GMEX we recently bought. It's a German-originated company. They're mainly in the tableware, so there's a lot of melamine, cutlery, glassware, a little bit high-quality finishing, and also everything of the GMEX brand is a non-slip, which is handy if you're camping with a motorhome or in the marine industry, not as much in caravanning, but in a motorhome, if you put your melamine in, it will be rattling all the time. And this rattling noise is not really nice. So
it's annoying.
Yeah, it's annoying, and you don't have this with a caravan, but you do this with a motorhome.
Yeah.
So that's a great thing. And also, as we do with BoCamp, we work with collections. As in Crespo, we work with collections. We also do with GMEX. So with GMEX, we have different collections displayed here, and they're really all completely different. And so there should be a suitable melamine set for everybody.
It looks very classic. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of almost old-fashioned style, isn't it?
Yeah, and you would think that because it's old-fashioned, because we have really nice-looking modern stuff in BoCamp, people wouldn't like it, but it's very popular as well.
I can believe it is. It almost looks like the old enamel tins. Do you remember the enamel tins?
Yeah, we have some with BoCamp still.
Yeah. It is beautiful. Again, really high quality and very affordable, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still affordable. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for giving
you're
us a little
welcome.
tour.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Really appreciate it. And thanks for making the effort and coming over here to Birmingham to the show. We look forward to seeing you again. In fact, we're going to come down to Valencia to the Crespo factory.
Oh, that's going to be good.
And have a little tour with you, hopefully there.
Yeah, no, that will be good.
We'll get Sergio back on camera again.
You're going to have some paella as well?
Can you? Sorry?
You're going to have some paella as well?
Definitely, yeah. At least once.
Yeah. It's very famous for paella as well. Besides Crespo, of course.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Brilliant. So if you've not made it to the show and you've not been able to see this beautiful range of furniture and accessories, we will be taking it as That Leisure Shop to all of the Warner outdoor shows throughout 2023. Or pop to our own shop online at thatleisureshop.com, where you can browse the range, or come and visit us in North Somerset. It really would be worth the trip, I promise you. Hope to see you at a show very soon, and come and explore the range of Crespo, BoCamp and GMEX.